be opening this Excalibur John Wall cover card box. 88, see? But right now I'm in a hotel, not in the normal house. So, yeah, I'd also like to give a shout out to my dad who was behind the camera working the scenes. And thank you. Okay, with that said, let's get started. So what I'm going to do...
And what are those?
Oh, these are the protector sleeves. They're only 50, but there are 88 cards. So I'm only going to put them on the best ones at the end. So first, there are 11 packs. Okay, 11 packs. I'll open the first one. Oh my god. First card.
Ooh.
Alright. I think I'm gonna keep that in one of them. And I don't think I'm gonna keep this
You need
one.
to put this on the...
Yeah, I'll put that at the end. So I'm gonna... Yeah, that looks nice. So I'll put that right here for the ones I think I'm gonna keep. I only have 50 to do. This one, I don't think I'm gonna use it. Ursan Ilyasova. Okay. It's not that good, so I'll keep it there. We got Otto Porter.
He's decent.
Yeah, he was pretty good this season. Some people said he was underrated this season, but I don't think I'll keep him. I'll put him in the maybe. Maybe is the middle. Malcolm Brogdon, the Rookie of the Year.
Rookie of the Year.
Yeah.
Wait. He needs to focus. It's...
Okay. Malcolm Brogdon.
Does it have like hologram on the bottom?
Hologram. No, but... Oh, there are these like card types,
Like prism?
I guess.
Prism?
Yeah. So... It also has the stats if you want to look at those.
Mm.
Oh, I think this is Joel N.B.A. Jousting card.
He's decent.
Yeah, he's good. I think he's gonna be a good player when
Don't move it. You have to let it focus and then...
it's
Yeah.
in process. I think I'm gonna keep him there. CP3.
What? Awesome. This is your first pack that you opened, huh?
Yeah, this is only 8 cards.
You know what? Just pass it to me and then I'll focus it because you're not focusing it properly.
Okay. I'm total. Bojan. Oh, our first Warriors player.
Where is this going?
Our first Warriors player. Patrick McCaw. I don't think I'm going to put him in. Alright, next pack. John Wall.
Slowly because you might ruin the edges. You want a scissor?
I'll get a scissor. I opened it. Oh, I got a Knicks player. Court Billy.
Where is this going?
Middle. Still don't know. Manu, 40 years old.
That's gotta go in the collectible.
Yep. Ooh. We got Andrew Wiggins.
Nice.
Oh, I got a retro card after this one. This one is Taj Gibson. The next one, new Thunder player. But this dude.
Where is Taj going? Here?
Yeah. The logo.
Whoa. Wow, this is a hologram.
Keep that there. Ooh.
Jerry West. Oh, look, the other side is the same.
Yeah.
That's the old school Lakers logo.
Alright, so the next one is Yogi Ferrell. He's a guard on the Dallas Mavericks.
What the? He looks like he's 4'5".
Oh my gosh. That's as tall as me. Okay. All right. The next one. What the? Gerald Green. He's okay. Recently traded to the Charlotte Hornets, probably. T. White Howard. All right. Next pack. It's pretty hard to open.
Mommy, do you have scissors?
Yeah, I recommend using scissors. Oh, wow. CJ McCollum. CJ. Have in 2K16 the MVP that has no badges. Dave Cowens. So Evan Fournier, he's good 3-point shooter. Oh, he had 33% himself. Andre Drummond.
Nice. Battlements.
Ooh, nice. Alright. I think I know how to pronounce this. Giannis Antetokounmpo. Is that how you pronounce it?
Future MVP.
So you think? Next one. Nikola Jokic.
He's good too.
Yeah, he's a good passer, but he's a center. This one is Michael Conley, an underrated player, people say. But it's a normal
Highest
card.
paid last year.
It's a normal card, so I'll just keep it there. And our first double, Todd Gibson. Yeah, I'll keep it. Next card.
Do they have Michael Jordan?
I don't know. I've never seen anyone pull anyone. Okay. Utah Jazz. Alec Burks.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, I don't. Willie Ernie Gomez. Yeah, I'm not putting it. Is this one special? I don't know how to pronounce his first name. So, Mr. Murray. Alright, you got Jeff Teague. Jeff Teague Pacers. He's on the Hawks.
I think he got traded too, right?
Wasn't he a one-time All-Star?
Yeah.
You got a special Pau Gasol.
Ooh, nice. Like the logo that you have. You see?
Oh, what? Are you serious? You got two Jeff Teagues in this one pack.
What?
This is alright. Jeremy Lin.
From the Nets.
The Brooklyn Nets. And our second Warriors player. Right after the Jeremy Lin is done. Hey. Hi. Kevin Durant.
Oh!
The snake himself.
Kevin
Put some
Durant.
clothes on. Put some clothes on, JC.
That's basketball.
Okay, I'll start.
N.B.A. Finals MVP.
Some people are saying the most worthless ring of all time. Because the team was that good. Hey!
What number is this?
This
Pack
is-
number.
I don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11, 5th. Oh! This isn't special, but it's Joel Embiid. I
Again?
had him before, but it was the special version that we got.
So where is this going?
In the middle. Bradley Beal.
Oh,
He's good.
All-Star, max player.
Yeah, Bradley Beal. I think I'll keep him. Darren Collison.
John Wall's teammate, right? Bradley Beal. Darren,
Collison. It's okay. Tyson Chandler. Battle. Good, I guess.
Yeah.
If you do not know, I am a Knicks fan because I'm from New York. And a special Brook Lopez on the Lakers now.
Another crusade.
Alright, now we got Jamal Murray.
You're gonna wear socks.
Where is he going?
Oh, wow. So I'm keeping this one, probably just because we just got Brook Lopez. Oh wow, that's
The brothers.
yeah, brothers and Hal's brother.
It's funny. Who's actually better right now?
Yeah, but overall, Hal's better.
Powell's probably gonna be in the Hall of Fame. Because he has what? 2 championships?
Yeah, with the Lakers.
Aiden! Chasey, look, the dragon.
Ooh, you got
There, look.
we got a Bulls player just traded to the Bulls, but still on the Timberwolves. They don't-
Oh,
And
Zach
we have-
Levine. Future All-Star also.
That's what people thinking. Alan Krabby Cakes. Ooh, we got a legend. We got a legend coming up after Alan Crab.
Hakeem.
Oh my. This one was cool. The next one. The next one is Special Kemba Walker. Oh wow.
Run the gauntlet.
Oh wait. Okay, this is awkward. Because we got that Special Kemba, right? Then we get normal. And then another redo, but it's more special than the other one. So I'm just gonna take the other one out. Kevin Durant.
Ooh,
I'm gonna take the other one out.
no,
later.
leave that.
Yeah, I'll take it later. Later.
You need that. This is just.
Oh yeah, this one's good. Da, 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 da.
The beard.
Fear him
Highest paid player.
of all time. James Harden. Alright.
MVP candidate number 2.
Yeah, I think he was second. He ran out. Okay, the next one is a new Knicks player, but not new. It's Tim Hardaway Jr. I'll get to open the next pack.
Garbage.
It's not that bad. You know, he has like.
Hey, you
Yeah,
better
that's
wear
what
socks now. Your feet is gonna get dirty. Go,
Yeah,
wear your
that's
Ma, did you put cortisone?
overall.
Wear your socks.
Okay.
Don't take it
And
off,
we
okay?
get Marquise Morris.
Okay.
Don't want it. Victor Oladipo.
JC, there's a
Indiana
dragon.
Pacers.
Who?
Still in Thunder. It's Oladipo. We got Kyle Lowry. Kyle Lowry. Yeah, I'll keep that one even though it's just Shabazz Muhammad. Yeah, I'm keeping that. Oh, we got a legend. The big fundamental. Don't want my brother
Ooh,
touching
nice.
this. Here.
Duncan.
Oh! Yes! Yes! Alright, keep that over there.
Oh yeah, it's not garbage.
Yeah, I'll throw that over there.
Here, JC, here's the garbage.
Oh,
Let's
this
flip
looks
the garbage.
nice.
Here's the garbage.
This card.
Right there, hold on.
This card is the future of the Knicks.
Yeah, boy, KP.
Looking good.
We this is a pretty good deck.
Yeah. These are essentially overpowered against the other ones. Except
Which
for,
one did you get? What did you get in the other pack?
Oh, it was just like normal players. The only thing I actually got that was good, I think, was Anthony Davis,
That was it?
Von Maker. Their future of the Bucks.
Is he going in the middle
You wanna
pile?
sit next to me? Yeah,
Middle
go ahead.
pile?
We got Deron Williams.
Eh. Garbage.
What
Alright,
you
I'm starting
doing,
to
Daddy?
Next pack.
I'm taking a video of
Oh
Kuya.
yeah, we got him again. Gotzingus.
Cut the
Nice.
Think
Godzilla.
this-
Chasey, get your face out of the
JC,
floor.
JC, it's dirty. I think this dude is good. Lenny Wilkins.
Oh
I've
yeah,
seen him
he's
in 2K. He's pretty good.
a coach. Look, the dragon's spitting fire, Chasey.
All right, so we got
There's a
Nerlens.
dragon.
No.
Nerlens is good. You see the dragon?
All right. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me again? Kevin Durant, the snake. Always.
What?
All right, this one
See
is
the
awesome.
dragon, Chasey?
This one,
Wait. Okay, and action.
you're gonna like this card because it's Atanika's favorite player.
No way. Whoa! That's my favorite player.
Thought it was-
Wow, this deck is stacked.
You need to put it. You need to put it.
Wait, I can't focus.
Oh my god.
This deck is pretty
It's
stacked.
Allen Iverson.
AI, MVP, the answer.
And
Where's
he
the
got
dragon?
the other
Where's the
Warriors
dragon?
player, Patrick McCaw.
Uh,
I thought this said LeVar Ball, but it's Chris Levert. Oh, we got another Warriors player, my favorite on the Warriors. Don't get
Nice.
mad at
That's
me.
it.
It's just my favorite. He's good.
Mm.
Ah,
Wow, you have a bunch of all stars,
that, please.
and you got a Hall of Famer.
And we
AI.
Is this the Iceman? I think it's the Iceman. Okay, we'll just leave it there.
Yes, George Gervin,
Gonna keep all these.
the Iceman.
All right, so
There you go.
Jeff Green.
We should get MJ. Here,
Hey, don't touch that. Don't touch that.
Chasey, you're not allowed to touch.
It's Leah's card.
Just watch.
And we got the cover boy, John.
Oh, John
Wall.
Wall.
Cover. Wait, is it the same picture?
No.
I'll keep him there. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Next one is Battlements. It's a Battlements card. Rudy Gobert.
He's a future all-star. Here you go.
Alright. We got Sage Avery Bradley. I think he's on the Jazz now. They traded him for Gordon Hayward, or was that free agency?
Here you go.
Daytona Davis. What's this?
Ow!
I'd rather have
You, ha-
Anthony Davis.
you have to cut some of this video because it's too long. It's in 18 minutes now.
People usually have long videos, but it doesn't really matter. Denzel Valentine. Hey, Chasey. Denzel Valentine.
Oh.
He's trash. Hey, I said don't touch, Chase.
I gave it to you.
And Al Jefferson.
Oh, wait a
I don't
minute.
want this dude.
He's addicted.
Okay, 16 cards left.
Where's
Two
Tommy?
packs.
Where's Tommy the Lizard?
Oh, and our first of the second to last pack. We get DeMar.
The Rosen.
Alright, that's looking nice.
No, I sweat over there.
I don't think we have enough sleeves now.
Chris Dunn. Chris Dunn, you know, on the Bulls now. Jake Layman. Who is Jake Layman? I knew. Oh, Jeremy Lin. Jeremy
The same one?
Lin.
Lena.
We had that already.
Lena.
The Black Mamba.
Woo! Kobe!
Stop.
Alright, ooh. Alright. said don't touch. So we got Iggy.
We got a bunch of Warriors player now.
Paul Millsap. I said don't touch. And Moody. Our last pack of this pack opening. I'm not gonna post this on this day because I can't find an internet connection. And it's pretty long. So
Casey,
sorry for
don't-
that. Don't touch.
Don't mess it up.
I'm not sure if this pack's in. Dario Saric. Jeez, I said don't touch.
Casey, don't touch. Go get Tommy. Where's Tommy?
Mommy. Mommy, where's Tommy?
I'm not even gonna try.
Mommy.
Thomas. That's all I'm calling him.
Sadaransky.
Mommy.
Oh! Yeah.
No way. Another All-Star? The reigning, defending.
MVP of the realm. Russell Westbrook.
Stop, Chase.
Okay. Take that.
Ah, Chase is
So we got this Damian Lillard card. Looks good.
nice.
Ooh.
Run the counter.
The next card is
Dang.
Aya.
Mm. Who's this? Wait. Oh, Steph Curry. Two-time MVP.
Of the realm. So we got Malcolm Brogdon again.
Yeah, here you go.
Devin Harris.
Yeah.
And the final card is just Larry Nance Jr.
Alright, so far,
Looks pretty good.
decent.
So if you're planning to do IRL, like 2K pack videos, you just, I say you use these, because these were amazing.
Alright.
Thank you guys for watching. Once again, thank you to my dad for filming this video. Thank you. Bye.
Say bye, Chase.
Bye.
Over here, say bye here.
Bye.
Here.
Bye.